big project here. We have actually several big projects here. So we're gonna have 20 by 40 huge deck over here, and the problem is we have pipes, we have dry vent, also we have AC here, which makes a loud noise, and now we have to move it to this side. So we're gonna move it to this side so it doesn't make noise when we sit here. So we're gonna be moving over here, and then we're gonna extend a gas line so we can have a gas grill, and the deck is gonna be huge here. So this is the line for AC. It goes all the way from here into the exterior over there. So we are moving that through here, through this line, and it's gonna be on the side of the house. So it's from here, runs from here, goes all the way. So he already marked where he's gonna run a hole. Also, we have to extend this, I think, intake line. This one is exhaust, so the other one is intake. So it has to be sticked out of the house. So probably we're gonna dig a hole there. I mean, run a hole, and it's gonna be outside. So 2 lines, and from also we're gonna have 1 more line, gas line, for the deck. So probably we're just gonna leave the hole as is, so we can run the gas line over there, and that's gonna be for deck. So that's pretty much it for now. So this is the front of the house. So we have 2 garages, and then the AC is gonna be on this side, which is more convenient. I didn't do it on the other side because it's too close to my neighbor. And on here we have more space because my line runs from here, from that line. If you can see, that's a brick. So that's a brick line. So, and this is actually a radon pipe. So I'm gonna have my AC here, and the gas line is gonna be on the other side. So the land is not that flat over here. It's a little bit slopey over here, a little bit slopey right over there. And we got huge slope over here, so we're gonna have a playground. Probably gonna remove this tree. So we're thinking about rope and slides for kids onto the deck. I'm not sure how practical and safe that would be, but we're gonna have deck over here, and then slopey play area for kids, and plus more play area over here. So, and we'll have to remove that concrete steps, stairway, staircases, and then probably we're gonna have 1 staircase over here that goes to this side of the house, and we're thinking about a fence also here. So the AC is going from this side to this side. They're almost done with the drilling, and it cost me about $1,000 to move it from that side to this side. That's including parts and labor, so, which is not bad. We're actually in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and year is 2024, April. I'll update more stuff. If you guys are interested, please let me know. So this is the line, electrical line, and then the Freon line for AC. So I'll have to move it to the other side, and then the concrete. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get rid of it or if I'm gonna use it, because my contractor is saying that now they use foam instead of concrete, because foam absorbs the turbulence. It doesn't shake on that, so absorbs what do you call that? It doesn't shake on that. So we're gonna have another pipe for the exhaust and an intake. So here, and then air vent here. So this is a view from the other side of my house. So and here's my baby. It's not a huge lot, but it's okay. And a little bit practical, I would say. It's a little bit slopey on this side, but this side also a little bit leaning towards that. So hopefully we'll have some amazing playground over here for my kid and for future kids.